guys, 828 Fine Adventure. I've got a new muffler for the 2016 Subaru Legacy 2.5. This will fit years 2015 through 17, I believe. And I also believe it'll fit not only the Legacies, but the Outbacks that have the 2.5. This is the 5-inch Nameless muffler. I mean, it'd be really cool just hanging on the wall. It's really a cool piece of metal that they've got here and created. So let's open the box and check it out. Let's see here. It comes with a couple of new bolts to bolt the muffler on. I did purchase this for the front bumper. It's a tag delete, and it says Nameless on it. That's nice. They sent me a tag frame and some stickers. I will definitely put that on. Don't know about the stickers, but I will definitely do the tag frame. We'll see. Maybe we'll do the stickers. All right, so there's a whole bunch of packing in here. Check this thing out. Just want you to see this. I mean, this is like, I mean, look at the detail here. It says Nameless right there, etched. The welds are really nice. I mean, this is amazing. And you can see right there. This is the 5-inch muffler. Looks like it's all stainless steel construction. I mean, this is really nice. The welds are beautiful. Check that out. I don't know if you can see that really well. I mean, the construction is really good. I really like the way their name is kind of etched on these braces here for the hanger mounts. But that is really cool. I cannot wait to get this on the car. So let's go do it.
Okay, you will need a couple of 14mm sockets and ratchets and a 14mm wrench. You can pick up a muffler hanger pair of pliers if you like. I'll put a link under the video in the description if you want to check those out. But if this is just a one-time deal, you don't need to get any. Just spray them with some type of WD-40 or silicone, and they should come off real easy.
Now, I will tell you, a few days before I unbolt this one, I did spray some penetrating oil on the nuts and bolts that hold this muffler on. I also have a hanger tool for doing the exhaust hangers, and I will show you that. This is what the hanger tool looks like. It makes it really easy to push that rubber exhaust hangers off. Because if they've been on there a while, they're really tough to get off with any other tool. And you can spray those with like a dry Teflon lubricant, and that really helps them come off.
You can see where the metal posts go through the rubber hanger. Just spray those with some silicone and use that tool, and they will come right off. All right, we're going to jack this car up and get this muffler off. It's a pretty easy job unless the bolts are rusted up. And then you just have to spray them some more and just let it soak. But other than that, it should be a pretty easy job. This is the Subaru idling with a little bit of a rev before we swapped out the muffler to the Nameless 5-inch. It is?
Yes.
Hold on. Okay, so you'll need to hold a wrench on top.
I'm doing it the right way, right?
Try it. You'll see. You'll know if it's doing it the right way. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
I'm going to the left.
Okay, yeah, it's loosening. Keep going.
Right here, I'm gonna have to readjust myself here.
You're using a wrench I got for my 16th birthday.
Oh, yeah?
From a friend of my parents who paid attention to what kind of hobbies I liked.
You ready?
Hold on.
Now?
Yeah. Give it a couple of revs. Okay.
Let me see how it sounds idle.
Sounds good. It's just not good for it. Hand tighten those.
Once it's a bit lopsided.
It's okay. When you tighten it up, it'll be fine. So you can start tightening those.
Is this on tiny mode?
Nope, turn it over. Okay. It's a little loud. I don't think Mom's gonna like that.
I like that.
Oh, it's quieting down. That guy almost run the stop signs on my ass now. I might go to Lark Hill and turn around.
Okay.
And then we can it's safer to turn out of there than these neighborhoods.
Where's Lark Hill?
Lark Hill, the big neighborhood down here with the big houses, where all those white trucks sit.
Oh.
Sounds like the WRX. That's what it sounds like. Because their WRX was a 2.0.
Yeah. This is a 2.5.
Yeah. It's not too annoying. Cabin noise. I mean, with it. Let's see. Let's turn some radio. Well, hey guys, I hope you liked that video of me and my son installing the Nameless 5-inch catback muffler for the Subaru Legacy. They also make these for the Outback, the WRX, and a dozen other manufacturers out there. Sounds really good. I only have the 4-cylinder 2.5i in this Legacy, and it made it sound so much better. It's so much more fun to drive now. If you have an Outback or something and you've lifted it like I've done my Legacy, this would be a great addition for your vehicle. I think it would make it fun again to drive because I was getting a little bored with the Legacy. I drive a Tundra most of the time with the V8. We also have a Ridgeline that we've put an exhaust on, and I just wanted to do it to the Legacy. So, I put some links under the video in the description. Check out their website. It's Nameless. And comment. Tell me what you think. I'm sure if I had a V6 in that Legacy or a turbo 4-cylinder like the WRX, it would sound much better. But this is what I got, and this is what I'm working with. If you would, please hit the thumbs up, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos, because who knows what I'm going to do. I'm actually kind of searching around to see if they sell any turbo kits for this Subaru. Don't know if that's a possibility, but we'll see what happens. I just can't stop. So, anyways, I will see you next time. See ya.